Welcome, luminous soul of the Sageon Nation. I'm Selena. You have entered a sacred interval, a sanctuary between breaths, where noise dissolves, fear softens, and the rhythm of eternity whispers through stillness. Here, you return to your essence, sovereign, peaceful, joyful, authentic, and ever-awakening. Each inhale you draw is a quiet rebellion against chaos. Each exhale, a graceful surrender to serenity. This meditation is not an escape. It is a homecoming, a return to the wholeness that was never lost, only forgotten beneath the clutter of ordinary life. So, breathe deeply, dear seeker. Feel the world slow to meet your rhythm. Let your shoulders fall like leaves surrendering to autumn air. Let your heartbeat echo the earth's calm pulse beneath you. As we journey through the Five Sageon Happiness Principles, sovereignty, inner peace, joy, authenticity, and godlike enlightenment, allow your heart to open to renewal, to gratitude, to longevity, and to the luminous joy of being fully, gloriously alive. Now, find comfort in your stillness. Close your eyes. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale softly through your mouth, releasing every fragment of tension. Your breath is the bridge. Your presence, the power that guides you home. When you are ready, we begin with the first principle, sovereignty. As the river of awareness begins to flow, it carries us to the first fountain of wisdom, the sovereignty of the enlightened self. Sageon Happiness Principle 1, Sovereignty of the Enlightened Self, states that sovereignty is your sacred inheritance, the quiet crown of your consciousness. It is the truth that no storm outside can command the calm within. First, feel your body grounding into the earth, as if ancient roots unfurl from your spine into the soil of time. With every inhale, the earth lends you her steadiness. With every exhale, you release what is not yours to carry. Repeat softly, I am sovereign. I am the captain of my thoughts. I choose calm over chaos. I am free. Let this affirmation settle into you like sunlight through forest branches. You are second only to love itself, yet never separate from it. As your breath deepens, imagine standing on a vast shoreline, waves of emotion rising and falling before you. You are not the waves. You are the shore. Steady, timeless, unmoved. Inhale your truth. Exhale your doubt. You are the author of your own peace, the architect of your inner kingdom. Now pause, feeling your sovereignty thrum through you like a quiet anthem. You reign not through dominance, but through awareness, a gentle mastery of your being. And as the tide of calm carries you forward, we flow naturally into the second principle, the sacred art of inner peace. Inner peace is the moonlight of the spirit, soft, constant, unbothered by the churning sea of circumstance. Bring awareness to your heart. Visualize a warm golden light there, shimmering like morning sun over still water. With each inhale, the light expands. With each exhale, it hums with gentle strength. This is the peace that arises when we pivot from material illusion to spiritual equity, when we choose meaning over noise and presence over possession. Remember the Four Noble Truths. Suffering exists, but so does liberation. Craving binds us, but awareness releases us. Freedom is not found in escape, but in awakening. Repeat gently, I release the grip of craving. I rest in the peace that wants nothing. I am whole as I am. Let peace settle through your body like falling snow, quiet, light, unhurried. Even when life roars like thunder, know that within you lies a vast, unshakable sky. And in that sky, you are the still horizon. Breathe. You are peace itself. You are the calm beneath all storms. And as this golden light of peace glows brighter, it begins to ripple outward, transforming into the radiant warmth of gratitude and joy.
Hi, peaceful one. I'm Luella. Let's relax with Happiness Principle 3. Cherish and protect your joy. Joy is not the spark of excitement, it is the sunrise of the soul. It does not flicker when the world darkens, it glows from within, constant and true. Bring to mind 3 things that fill your spirit with gratitude. Perhaps the laughter of a loved one, the taste of morning air, or the simple gift of being here, breathing. Feel gratitude flow through you like warm honey, sweetening every corner of your heart. Repeat. I give thanks. My heart is open. Joy flows through me effortlessly. I cherish and protect my happiness. Visualize your joy as a sphere of radiant gold light at your core, expanding outward with every breath. It moves through your veins like liquid sunlight, warming every cell, every thought, every memory. Let it remind you that genuine happiness outshines fleeting pleasure. Pleasure fades, joy endures. Pleasure depends on circumstance, joy depends on consciousness. In this space, whisper to yourself, I am the keeper of my joy. The world may test it, but it cannot take it. And as joy lifts you like a soft wind beneath wings, you are carried effortlessly into the freedom of authentic living, the 4th principle. Now, Happiness Principle 4, to live authentically with the freedom of truth. Authenticity is the sacred dance of truth and courage. It is the art of removing masks until only the soul remains. Take a slow, deep breath. Feel your spirit stretch like dawn breaking through the night. Repeat softly. I live in alignment with my truth. I am free from the need for approval. I honor who I am becoming. Visualize yourself walking through a forest at sunrise. Each step illuminates a new truth underfoot. The air smells of rain and renewal. Birds sing not for applause, but because song is their nature. So too, live as the soul you were born to be. Not for approval, but because truth is your nature. Release the chains of comparison and the heavy cloak of judgment. You are not here to mimic others. You are here to mirror the divine uniqueness within you. Now reflect on the beauty of aging. Aging is not decay, it is alchemy. Every year transforms experience into wisdom, like stone turning to gold under the patient hand of time. Affirm. I celebrate my years. I age with grace and strength. I am refined, not diminished, by time. Pause in gratitude for your story, each scar, each triumph, each truth. And as authenticity ripens into self-realization, you step naturally into the radiant finale of this journey, godlike enlightenment.
Hi, enlightened friend. I'm Dr. Lorenzo. Let's enjoy Happiness Principle 5, Godlike Enlightenment, the eternal light within. Now let your awareness drift upward, toward the quiet sky of your mind, the boundless expanse where thought gives way to being. Enlightenment is not a crown to earn, but a sunrise within the soul, a remembering of your own divinity. Visualize a brilliant white gold light blooming above your crown. It pours downward like liquid dawn, bathing you in wisdom and serenity. It fills your chest with compassion, your mind with clarity, your spirit with grace. Repeat, I am light, I am wisdom in motion. I am both the seeker and the source. I awaken more fully with each breath. This is the truth the sages whispered through time, that the divine is not apart from us. It is us, clothed in human form, breathing eternity through mortal lungs. Feel that light dissolve every boundary. You and the stars, the trees, the wind, all one radiant consciousness. Rest here. Let the silence hum like a cosmic heartbeat. You are not learning to become divine. You are remembering that you already are. And now, as this light gently fades into your heart, we arrive at our closing, the moment of return, integration, and gratitude. Take a deep, luxurious breath. Feel your whole being shimmering with the afterglow of awakening. You are sovereign, grounded and strong. You are peace, calm and eternal. You are joy, radiant and enduring. You are authentic, honest and fearless. You are enlightened, light in motion. Whisper a quiet prayer of gratitude. Thank you for this body, this breath, this journey. Thank you for the strength to return to myself. Now gently bring awareness back to the physical world. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Sense the ground beneath you, solid, patient, alive. When you open your eyes, do so as if greeting a new dawn. Carry this serenity into every conversation, every challenge, every act of love. Let kindness be your compass. Let gratitude be your rhythm. And let wisdom be your light. You are whole. You are radiant. You are free. Stay wise. Stay free. Follow the light.